Brain and spine, let's compare them fast. Snappy bullet points, no fluff, and yes, a rapid quiz to lock it in. Like and subscribe for more smart comparisons. The brain processes information at lightning speed, while the spine acts as a vital conduit for movement signals. The average human brain weighs around 3 pounds. The spine has 33 vertebrae standing together like a team. Surprisingly, the brain consumes 20% of the body's energy despite being only 2% of its weight. Talk about a show-off. While the brain is responsible for consciousness and thoughts, the spine is crucial for structural support and stability.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Decode the emojis. Right. Which part of the central nervous system primarily transmits signals to the body? Goodbye. Which organ is responsible for emotions and mood regulation? Right. Which structure contains a network of vertebrae? Goodbye. Which part is involved in voluntary motor control? Right. Which structure is essential for reflex actions? Goodbye. Which organ is crucial for memory formation? Right. Which structure is surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid? Right. Which part primarily controls autonomic functions? Right. Which structure is more vulnerable to injury in a fall? Goodbye. Which organ processes sensory information? Right. Which structure is critical for coordination and balance? Right. Which part is primarily responsible for transmitting pain signals? Goodbye. Which organ is known for its complex neural networks? Right. Which structure facilitates communication between the brain and limbs? Goodbye. Which part is involved in decision-making processes? Brain. Which structure can be affected by conditions like scoliosis? Goodbye. Which organ plays a role in language processing? Ray. Which part is involved in the fight or flight response? Ray. Which structure is responsible for the body's postural control? Goodbye. Which organ is involved in conscious thought? Ray. Which structure can be affected by herniated discs? Goodbye. Which part is responsible for processing visual information? Ray. Which structure is vital for overall body support? Goodbye. Which organ is key for creativity and imagination? Ray. Which part is crucial for the body's balance and equilibrium? Ray.